Bernardo Bellotto was born January 30, 1721, died November 17, 1780. He was an Italian urban landscape painter or vedutista, and printmaker and etching, famous for his vedute of European cities, Dresden, Vienna, Turin, and Warsaw. He was the student and nephew of the renowned Giovanni Antonio Canal Canaletto and sometimes used the latter's illustrious name, signing himself as Bernardo Canaletto. In Germany and Poland, Bellotto called himself by his uncle's name, Canaletto. This caused some confusion. However, Bellotto's work is more sombre in color than Canaletto's, and his depiction of clouds and shadows brings him closer to Dutch painting. Bellotto's style was characterized by elaborate representation of architectural and natural vistas, and by the specific quality of each place's lighting. It is plausible that Bellotto, and other Venetian masters of vedute, may have used the camera obscura in order to achieve superior precision of urban views. For the first time he also undertook historical subjects, including the election of Stanislaw August for the king and entry of Jerzy Ossoliński into Rome in 1633, commissioned by Józef Maksymilian Ossoliński. Bellotto created a school of painting which was later continued and developed by Zygmunt Vogel and Marcin Zaleski.